I guess better to shake. That's ideal. So you can show them on camera.
Look at the fan inside the. Just chilling.
Okay.
The engine stays so. The engine isn't going anywhere.
Well,
We just don't know if you're coming with it.
I think the engine mounts are pretty junk too.
You know, that's an independent issue though.
Got the new mounts in place. How you feel about it?
38%.
Well, that's not great. Show us the.
Look at that. The frame's moving with the cab.
Oh, that's the first.
That's what you like to see.
We haven't seen that since we bought the truck.
Yeah.
Some new plugs, plug wires.
Race plugs. Yeah, show them the gap.
What was that gap? 65?
65 thousandths?
Super excessive.
Full race.
These were terrible.
A couple of them were hand tight. Like this one.
What are we doing?
Power steering delete. He's gonna take this. You know what we call that? No charge.
Why are you in the hole?
Yeah, I gotta go eat that.
Nice.
She crushed
Dead.
Look at this beauty going in. Just slide that in. Come on, come on, come on.
There you go. Oh, you broke the head off in this one too. What's a little more good?
All you need is the right tool. You make the world your Let's just give it some persuasive taps. I didn't hit the body, that was my leg. Look at that.
Alright, we gotta get a roll cage in here. Let's take some measurements. Yeah, that looks good. I'm stupid. Oh, there it is. There, that was all on film. There we go. Got the couple of areas cleaned up to try and. Oh, I don't like that. Skip that, Nate. If you're editing this, don't put that in there. What's that? You'll see when you're editing it. Okay. Who needs fireworks when you have angle grinders? I paid for the whole disc. I'm gonna use the whole disc. Oh my word.
Now a good bumper will fit on a
Style side.
style side truck. Evidently the different bumpers.
It's good to know these things before you go buying another bumper.
Yeah.
The style side is narrower,
It makes sense. you
believe it
know?
or not. But that one, just too to go back on.
There's not even a bumper there.
No. Look at it, look at it. It's gone. All gone.
Oh god. Alright, we're gonna build a spoiler.
Okay. Well, what did we do? Look at this! You can't not get excited about that.
She looks good.
It's a NASCAR spec. Hey, how are you? I'm here in the race car or the truck.
In the Ford Ranger.
We're ready to race.
You look comfy in there, guy.
It's quite comfortable with the seat cover on this thing.
Better than expected.
Way better than expected with this cover. I can easily do. Oh, oh.
Do the driving thing.
She's a little tight.
That parking brake still?
Parking brakes can really just. I gotta get this fuse box out of the way.
In that fuse box.
Oh wow. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
You know, it does what it's supposed to do.
It didn't break down, that's good.
You get gapped by the minivans.
Yeah, out here putting the gap on by the minivan.
Did you measure how much these brakes weigh?
It looked like they're registered about 12 pounds.
Mine is nowhere near 12 pounds.
Well,
It's right at 12 pounds.
this is perfect.
Let's get a close up of the scales blowing up.
300 miles. Later though, so.
Yeah, I'll probably blow up in front.
Okay, let's do some maths.
They didn't blow up?
This is working.
Better than expected. What if the truck weighs less than 6 scales? That seems likely.
Unlikely. You can.
What are you doing? Are you gonna put it in the
No,
same
no,
spot
no.
I'm doing?
Oh shoot. Ooh. Ooh. You got more? Is that it?
I think it just changed.
Now we're back on this jack. Here we go. Oh my. That's a lot.
We just peaked 0.
Yeah.
20 pounds.
So
We can assume that some shit's happening that's not supposed to happen.
I wouldn't assume that at all. Okay, hit me with your numbers. 1578.
Plus 11
54.
something.
2,700 pounds? This thing wasn't even 2,700 pounds
When we started?
when we started.
That's good.
We didn't add weight. Alright. You get it?
Well,
I thought
right
there
or
was
what?
one left.
That's stupid.
Why?
Guys,
How was that stupid?
I'm gonna do it so when you're wrong. I can say, guess what? You know?
Yeah. That's all you live for, really.
Yeah. Makes my life way better.
That's it. Just proving people wrong. You don't even have to be right.
What do you mean?
It's just proving everyone wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the important part.
You could still be wrong. But you're like,
I don't care that I'm wrong.
but you're wrong too.
Other people care that they're wrong. What do you want me to say about it? Well, that concludes the roll cage. Make sure you subscribe to follow our build.